Really apologizing for the blue tongue. I'm really drinking a blue icy out here. Blue ices, best ones. No joke. Okay. Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a recreating someone's tutorial without seeing it. Okay, so like, you know, in beauty gurus tutorials, they usually do like show everything, and whenever you watch it, you click the two things together, what you're listening to and what you're seeing. So I'm going to be trying to recreate James's tutorial, his holiday sleigh makeup tutorial. I'm going to be recreating that without seeing, just hearing. It'll make more sense whenever I get along with the video. I'm not going to be looking at my phone at all. I'm just going to be listening to what he has to say. This idea was come up by my friend Emma. I'll put her socials down below. All full credits to her. She doesn't have YouTube. She DM'd me and she was like, Maddie, you should do this video. And I was like, that is a really good idea. So if you guys recreate it, all credits go to Emma. And I guess me, because I'm starting the video trend. If it becomes a trend. I know what palette he uses. He uses the Morphe 39A or something like that, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna be using my Morphe 3500, and we'll see what happens. Oh wait, maybe I shouldn't turn off my phone. I'm kind of stupid. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see. I feel like he already primed his eyelids, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids. Sorry that there's like this big pimple right there, like I know, like I see it.
I'm first gonna get my M441 brush and dip into this middle transition shade.
He said middle transition shade. So I'm just gonna take a, so stupid, okay. I'm gonna take the middle shade, this one. It's not really a transition shade. I'm gonna be taking this fluffy brush. I don't know what brush he's using. This is definitely not a transition shade, but I'm gonna pop it in that crease. Pop it in that crease. It's gonna look so bad. I already feel it. I don't know how high up to blend it or anything. In real life, this is more orangey, but it's definitely not the right color. But if we can make it work, we'll make it work. Just depends on how he describes where in the palette or what color. Okay, now I'm gonna play it. I'm not watching. Okay, he says that he's pulling out that shadow a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna pull it out a bit. Okay, he said that he's gonna take the burnt orange shade. I'm just listening. I think 39R. I have no idea what brush that is. We're gonna take a smaller brush.
For this, I'm actually kind of holding the brush downwards to really get it up in that crease.
I feel like his brush is more compact, maybe, because the way that he's saying it, it kind of sounds like he's just making a line type thing. Here's a more compact small brush. This is like, I'm so colorblind. This is like burnt orange. I'm gonna mix these two top right orange shades. This is really hard. I thought that was gonna be easier. It's actually hard. Just holding it downwards. I need to remember to hold it downwards like he did. Why is my mirror so far away? Like, this always happens to me. I don't know why I do that. And we're gonna be cutting the crease, so I really don't know what's gonna happen. I'm trying to do that wing type of thing. It's looking okay on this side, just not on this side, really. I look so crazy.
Really deep black in the crease area, which you'll see in a few seconds.
I'll make this work out. I will.
Defined motion. Okay,
so we're just gonna keep getting our brushes smaller. So I'm gonna take this brush right now. I have to do a more defined motion, but I don't know what color I'm gonna take. So I'm gonna actually take burnt orange in the Anastasia palette because I feel like that might work better. I'm gonna take Real Gar, and I'm just gonna focus that in there. I look like a crazy person. I'm gonna blend it because he keeps saying that he's blending between the steps. Now, I don't want a harsh line, but I also don't want them to be all together. Sister, it's not really looking too well. Okay, he's taking a brown shade. I'm gonna be taking this small brush. Don't know if this is too small. Don't really care. I'm taking this brown shade. I'm just making a real harsh line right there. It's just really ugly. Like, I don't even know how to explain how ugly this looks. It's just not really cute at all. He wants us to use a black color. I don't really have black in this palette, but I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And they said deepen up the outer V.
Adding a little bit too much black can make an eye look go from real good to real bad real fast. So, excuse the mirror in the video in a second.
It's gonna look so ugly. It's gonna be like the worst beauty guru ever. Okay, we're gonna blend this out. Blend this out. It's so ugly. I don't want to talk about it, guys. I really don't want to talk about it. Maybe if I had the shimmer, it'll look better. Cool toned brown. I have a cool toned brown in this palette. His becomes dark, so if mine becomes dark, then it's okay.
First today, which is this beautiful orangey shade as the base, of course.
Copper. Said flat definer brush, so I'm gonna be taking this one. It's the Beyoncé Cosmetics 16 brush. Powder shadow, so maybe I should cut out the crease with concealer, but he's not cutting out the crease with concealer, even though he said whenever you use cream shadows, it doesn't really matter, but like I'm still not gonna cut out the crease, so I'm gonna look it. So I'm just gonna spray my brush and hope for the best. Okay, so we're not fitting out the edges, we're just bringing it on and then curving it. That's what the eyes look like. He's outlining with a liquid liner. Outline the outer curve. I'm so bad at liners, so this is not my best work. Okay, now he's putting on lashes. I'm just gonna put on my Dodo lashes. He does his face makeup first, so maybe I should do my face makeup. Okay, so I just got done with my face makeup, so now I'm going to be doing my lashes. I'm using the Dodo lashes in D105. Use my code Maddie from Money Off Your Lashes. Okay. I don't look as ugly as I thought I did. He like waterlined his eye. So I'm gonna run that along my lash line. I don't know what is going on outside. It's really like late at night, so there's like a big truck. I really don't know what's going on. Now I look really dramatic. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna finish. He does his lips now, so I'm just gonna like moisturize mine. I'm using a really dark lip, but I don't really have a really dark lip, so I'm gonna be using this one. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. I just picked this up today. It's like a brown color, so it's kind of similar, but not really. Okay, this is the finished look, and this is the lip. It doesn't really match, because I don't know how to match. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's like a little bit different. Like, I actually looked at it at the end. I don't have any lipsticks like his. Okay. But, with everything else, I really just listened to what he said, and it came out pretty similar. Not that much. Kind of similar, like a little bit. Like, it is pretty similar. Fine. There's lipstick all over my teeth. If you guys did enjoy, please like and subscribe. Comment down below video ideas, requests, you know how it be. That was the ugliest thing I've ever said. Okay, follow all my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Love you all, and I'll see you next time. That was really ugly.